Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make 4 types of ice cream. Everyone likes this food. Today we will make it with pen. People like to eat it in every season. It is hot here. Tell me the weather of your city. Learn how to make it. It is very easy to make. Children can easily make it. Children mostly like to eat chocolate ice cream. Drawing remains a central and pivotal activity to the work of many artists and designers. A touchstone and tool of creative exploration that informs visual discovery. It fundamentally enables the visualization and development of perceptions and ideas. 6 benefits of drawing time for children. Develops fine motor skills. Fine motor skills include and specialized movement of the hands, wrist and fingers. Encourage visual analysis. Helps establish concentration. Improves hand-eye coordination. Increase individual confidence. Teach creative problem solving. Drawing makes you see things clear and clear and clear still. The image is passing through you in a psychological way into your brain, into your memory, where it stays. It's transmitted by your hands. The amount of cash or value of goods, assets, etc. withdrawn from the business by the owner for personal use is known as drawing. The earliest known drawing date from 30K and 30K to 10K BC. They were found on the walls of caves in France and Spain. Other examples of early drawing and designs that were scratched, carved or painted on the surfaces of primitive tools. The basic 5 skills of drawing are understanding edges, spaces, light and shadow relationships, and the whole or gestalt. These 5 basic skills of drawing make up the components of the finished work of art when put together. According to Hedy Siebel, who teaches a life drawing class at Harvard, it's so vital and important for one human to be studying, looking, and perceiving another human because it eventually creates empathy. You will start to understand your own vulnerabilities by studying those of the model. Makes you see better, makes you pay attention to the word, makes the connection between the right and left side of your brain. Brings peace like a moment of the meditation and mindfulness. Dawdling can actually help you focus and make it easier to listen. It can relieve stress and improve productivity. It can also help in memory retention. Doodle a number of or word or image that pertains to what is being addressed, and it is more likely to stay with you. The seven most common elements include line, shape, texture, form, space, color, and value, with the additions of mark, making, and materiality. Sometimes in the Stone Age, human artists began experimenting with a new form of visual art, drawing. Now from the ancient rubble that accumulated on the floor of the South African caves comes the earliest known example in abstract crayon on stone piece created about 73k years ago. We can absorb information by simply listening, seeing images, or reading word, but drawing brings out a multimodal reinforcement that forces our brain to use that input in a new way. Drawing involves the imagination and force our brain to create a mental image of a subject or idea in our brains. What is the meaning of drawing and curling? Drawing is the art of representing an object or outlining a figure, plan or sketch by means of lines, while painting in a practice of applying color to a solid surface such as a paper or canvas. The verb drawing means to sketch something using lines. Draw also means to pull something out of its resting place or to attract something. Draw is also a tight competition. Draw has many other senses as a verb and a noun. The earliest human drawing dating back to the Stone Age has been found in a cave in South Africa. It is a cross-hatched pattern and was drawn with a red ochre crayon. Finally, add some colors to make the icing visually more appealing, and there you go, a simple cake drawn with love and taste. If you are looking for illustrations that are slightly more difficult to achieve, then you can try our lessons below featuring delicious treats from this site. I hope you had a blast following this tutorial and happy birthday to you. You know it is hot here. Tell me the weather of your city. It is very easy to make. Children can easily make it. Children mostly like to eat chocolate ice cream. What is your favorite flavor? Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Have a good day.